Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today's video, I'm unboxing the Spring 2020 Breo box. So I didn't have a Breo box to hold up in my little intro. That's because they were trying to ship it to us as soon as possible instead of delaying it, and it did not come in a box. So normally it comes in a crate, or last time it came in like a flip up box, the winter one, and they're usually really nice premium boxes. Like all of them are boxes that I would really reuse. They're very, very nice and very sturdy. This is also the bougiest box I receive. Bougie, everything, every detail being kept kind of premium, if that's sort of the right word, which as I mentioned earlier, they have boxes. They had a catalog last time that like felt good. It's hard to explain, but it had like a textured catalog. So they kind of like elevate everything a little bit, but it is very, very pricey. How pricey, you might ask? Well, the first box that you get is $159. There are discount codes to get discounted boxes. I used code OXO. I don't know if that's still a code, but it gave me $20 off of my first box. They do not have referral codes, so I don't have a referral code to give you for a discount or anything like that. Just type in breobox.com, try OXO, or search the internet because that's how I found OXO. They also reward you for your loyalty, so this is my fourth box. And every box I got $5 off. So I'm down to $139, $20 less than the $159. So this box is $139. I don't know if my next box will be $134 or how low it gets before they stop giving me a discount every time to reward me for my loyalty. You could also buy all 4 boxes annually, and that gives you a discount as well, making each box $144. So let's start off with a little catalog. Again, it has that textured feeling, kind of like they're using premium fancy paper. Like I said, this is my bougie box. Because you pay a little bit more, I feel like they go a little bit extra in everything that they do. So this feels just like so nice, which honestly, it doesn't really add value to it other than you just feel like it's kind of fancy. In here, we have a little bit about every single product, and that's just kind of your sneak peek there. It does not contain prices, so I'm just gonna put a photo over here with the product and the price. First thing I found is from Tooletries. It says Get Organized Silicone Body Scrubber. So this is interesting. It's silicone, which I think would be really good for keeping everything free of bacteria. And you can see the little grooves in here for getting that soap super sudsy. It feels really good. It feels soft. So this is called the Body Scrubber. Welcome to the new age of loofah-free exfoliation. So if you don't know, a loofah is just one of those like squishy things that you put soap on in the shower, and you're supposed to throw those away because they do grow bacteria, which is so gross. This, however, would promote a bacteria-free environment. And it says, unlike the traditional loofah, this body scrubber is 100% silicone, keeping it bacteria and microscopic free. Use the back to keep it suctioned. Ooh, that's cool. This is a suction cup too. To your bathroom wall or shower. Lather, scrub, and rinse as usual. So this also says that it's dishwasher safe, so you could put it in your dishwasher to like deep clean it. Okay, so the next thing I found is from Greater Goods. It literally tells you what it is right here, a luggage scale. And it says, read more inside. Congrats, you made the world a little better. The Global Orphan Project, Love 146. Wow, this looks really nice. Some assembly required. Yeah, so you basically screw this into this other part here, I think. I'm not great with like tool things. I wouldn't say that I'm bad with them, but that's never been my forte. Okay, no, we got it in there. That wasn't that bad. And then you just clip this on, I guess. We should weigh my purse and see how heavy my purse is. Woo! We did it. Okay, and then I guess we pull this to start it, or to fling the battery out on yourself. That's cool too. I'm gonna grab my purse and we're gonna measure, like, see how much my purse weighs. I'm like a Boy Scout that was never a Boy Scout, always prepared. So my purse is always super heavy because I just put everything in it that I think is important. No wonder I have back problems. 4.4 pounds. That's so crazy. Let's read a little bit more about this. First, the inside of the box says, Greater Goods, which is the name of this company, sets aside a portion of your purchase to give back to charity. Love that. Together, the many small contributions of our community add up to something big. Love 146 and the Global Orphan Project use these contributions to help children in need around the world. Never get charged for unexpected overweight bags. I've never been charged for a bag, and I travel a lot. I feel like I shove as much as humanly possible in them, so I don't even understand how people have bags. Like, what are you putting in your bags? Bricks? I don't understand. What this is, a portable digital luggage scale to effortlessly, why can't I say that? Effortlessly. A portable digital luggage scale to effortlessly weigh your luggages. With an easy-to-read display, weight information also holds for easy reading. Nylon strap hooks easily to measure any type of luggage. It was pretty easy to weigh my bag. I like it. That's a good product. I will use that product. Moving on. What is this? Well, first off, it's all in French. Luckily, I can kind of understand French. Oh, it's for butter. It says spread that. I mean, I don't have butter to show because I don't really buy butter, but materials say copper alloy and silicone. Hold your spread that butter knife to quickly transfer your body heat to the blade. Oh, I guess you have to hold this part first. Make sure you wash your hands before you do this. And easily spread hard butter on toast or bread. It also works great with chocolate butter. What's chocolate butter? Peanut butter, I know what peanut butter is, and cream cheese. Not designed for carving butter into small pieces. Maybe I won't be using this one, maybe I'll find a good use for it, but that always happens in subscription boxes. There's always something that you're like, I don't know if I need that. So let's read a little bit about that. It says a self-heating, how's it self-heating if you have to hold it and get it hot? A self-heating serrated knife that melts butter as you spread. And it says spread that softens butter and other spreads by carrying heat from your palm to the edge of the blade. Oh, am I supposed to hold it on the bottom, not by the top? It didn't say that. Through a superconducting core, you can use the serrated edge to shave off fine curls of butter straight onto your toast. No more waiting or clumping. And the next one comes from a company that we got before. Last time, I believe it was fall, I unboxed a tea water infuser that you could put hot water in and tea, and I use that all the time. It's from the same brand, Sous Shop, but this one is a manual coffee grinder. I don't know if I'll use this as much because I usually buy my coffee already ground, or I buy like a pre-made cold brew coffee container. So this might not be as useful for me, but I definitely know this is useful for others. It's manual, so you could also take this camping and still get fresh ground coffee. So you just pull this out and you get your ground coffee down here. It says, grind your whole coffee beans into uniform grounds with bold flavors. Get consistent and uniform coffee grounds using the manual coffee grinder. Handheld, durable, and portable, this coffee grinder is made to last you years. And I do feel like that is also the case with the other Sous Shop product I got. I've used it a ton and like zero wear and tear. Unlike electric coffee grinders, you can rest assured that you can bring yours wherever you go. This time I got a coffee grinder from Sous Shop, and I also got coffee beans. So I will have a reason to use it. Very clever on their part, because if the box receiver didn't have whole coffee beans, they'd be like, I don't need this, but guess what? Now you need it. So maybe I'll fall in love and I'll just be like, wow, fresh ground coffee is the only way to go. I don't know. Mocha Java is the flavor from Cadena. It says, elevate your experience, whole bean coffee, organic and fair trade. I do like to buy fair trade coffee. And I have a coupon to get 10% more off of my next purchase as long as I use it by May. So this is the Cadena whole bean coffee, aromatic whole bean coffee, roasted in small batches to enhance richness. A whole bean coffee roasted in small batches and sourced from all over the globe, Cadena coffee not only provides an amazing Java experience, but also supports fair trade organic farmers in remote and developing regions around the world. So the flavor is mocha java. I'm assuming that means it has a little bit of cocoa in it as well. Next we have Bed Scrunchie Sleep Tight All Night, and it just says problem solved on this side. Doesn't say what problem. And it says it works. This looks like one of those as seen on TV items. I'm not gonna lie, like this is like the as seen on TV packaging in my personal opinion. As easy as 1, 2, 3, no mattress lifting required. Attach to bed sheet first. Place the sheet over your mattress. Tighten and lock the draw cord. This says it turns a flat sheet into a fitted sheet, or it keeps your fitted sheet as tight as possible on your bed. Does that actually help? I'm the type of person who doesn't even really make my bed in the morning because I lay on it all the time. I come home on my lunch break from work and I lay on it, and then I get home after work and I'm laying on it. So I just like don't really know what is the point of making my bed if I'm just constantly getting back into my bed and messing it up, and nobody else comes into my room anyways to see my made bed. It's like one of my least favorite chores is to make my bed. Some people say it's really good to start a morning making your bed, but I'm not a morning person already. I don't need to be doing chores first thing in the morning. There's like a scrunchy cord, and then these little guys, I guess, connect to the sheet, and then it just like scrunches your sheet for you so you don't have to tuck anything in yourself. Before, that's my bed. And then after, that's like a well done bed, I guess. The Bed Scrunchie. Gone are the days of loose sheets. Keep your sheets tight all night. The Bed Scrunchie is here to keep your sheets tight all night long. Wrapping around 360 degrees, the Bed Scrunchie slides effortlessly under your mattress, keeping your sheets firmly in place. Toss and turn all night and still wake up with your sheets securely in place. It's adjustable for like any bed, apparently. I will try it out. I'll let you guys know on Instagram if I love it or hate it. And we have one more item. I'm assuming it's the most expensive item. I usually try to keep that for last. And it's a timely item as well because we are in the middle of a pandemic and everybody is freaking out about what we're touching and not touching and touching our face. I Lysol all the mail coming into my house, everything. Just kind of like, I don't want to take any chances. You know what I'm saying? So this last item is for sanitizing, and this was spoiled, so I did know that I was getting this because they spoiled this on their Facebook, and I follow BreoBox on Facebook. It says, PhoneSoap Pro was engineered to kill germs using ultraviolet light, making the world cleaner and healthier. Happy sanitizing. It kills 99.99% of germs using ultraviolet light called UVC. That's pretty cool. It kills living organisms on your household items, including viruses, bacteria, and everything else. Because I'm pretty acne prone, I have very oily skin, and touching my face like literally results in a zit almost every single time. So I work really hard actually to get the skin that you see on these videos. I still get hormonal acne, but I try so hard not to touch my skin. I clean my phone. I disinfect my phone. I take a Lysol wipe and I clean my phone. So this is supposed to sanitize your phone. It is called PhoneSoap. I'm sure it would work for other items as well, and you betcha that I'm gonna use it on whatever items I can fit in here. Originally, BreoBox announced we were gonna get PhoneSoap, and then they announced on their Facebook it got upgraded for free to PhoneSoap Pro, which is just a bigger version of PhoneSoap. So I feel like I could maybe fit more stuff in here. So this can fit like a lot in there. This is just my phone. This is an iPhone X, so you can see the space here that we have extra. And it has lights on both sides for sanitizing. Do I think that this is for sure gonna get coronavirus off of everything? I have no clue. So this is not any advice as to like go buy this for particular viruses, but it does mention that it does help with viruses on the back of the packaging. So this says, disinfect your phone and accessories clean from everyday germs. Everything you touch is collected on your phone. The PhoneSoap Pro sanitizes by using 4 UVC bulbs to disinfect in just 5 minutes. So just put that Instagram away for 5 minutes so you got some clean phone soap. And I would probably wash my hands during that time too, just so like when I touch my phone again, you know, it's clean. Through direct UVC light, the PhoneSoap Pro neutralizes surface bacteria, giving you a germ-free device. So I would say out of all of that, the bed sheet thing, I probably won't use that, but I'm gonna try it. If it is useful to me, then I'll use it, but I don't really know if I really need it. And then for the butter thing, I mean, I will probably still use it, just not for butter. I'll probably use it for chocolate and peanut butter like they said. So I definitely think everything else will still get used. I'm going to use the coffee grinder obviously because they gave me coffee beans that need to be ground, and I'll probably put them in my cold brew coffee maker that they sent me 2 boxes ago. And if you haven't seen that video, go check it out because that's one of my favorite boxes actually. The PhoneSoap I think is super useful. I'm actually always taking Clorox and Lysol wipes to clean my phone down because I just like hate the fact of putting something to my face that could have bacteria from my hands on it. I think that's pretty useful for me. I'll probably put it in there like every night if I can. Just PhoneSoap Pro itself is valued at $119.95. So that's almost the entire price I paid for the box because I paid $20 more than that and got the rest of the stuff basically. That's it. That is the Spring 2020 Breo box. I do believe this one is still available if you run to their website and order it now. I don't know what the shipping situation is. Of course, with the coronavirus and all of that, it'll probably be shipped at a later date when everything is open and running and our post office can like handle that kind of shipping. So give me your thoughts. What do you really think? You know, I always get people saying like, no way, this box is way too expensive. And I feel you. When I first bought it, I kind of had anxiety going through the checkout process. Even though I was getting $20 off, I was like, I'm about to spend $139 and I have absolutely no clue what's gonna be in this box. Like, what if I hate it all? But luckily, I loved that box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.